This is how we install the lipos on our Dean's modification on the next gen Recall stocks. Notice here how we've got the Dean's mod and then our small spacer plate, and then we've widened these holes here to accept larger batteries. We then take the lipo, the extended lipo which we've prepared, ready. We put one this side, one this side. Put the wiring down here, this wiring at the top like that, and then take one cell and push it all the way to the bottom on one side. I usually do the right one. Okay, so this right hand cell is all the way to the bottom now, and then I have this left hand cell just slightly a bit higher, and then that way you've got all this extra room now above this this right hand side, and then you can then just plug in the Dean's mod there. And then you just stuff the excess in the hole there. That then makes it nice and neat. So all the excess wiring kind of goes down to this hole at the side, and then that gives you loads of room then, so space, to then put the butt pad over the top of it, okay? And then an optional extra from ET1, they do these small covers, and you can just put one of the covers over the end just to make it cosmetically look a bit neater and cover up all the wiring. But yeah, that's the widened stock mod that we do for next gen Recall, which allows 2600 7.4 lipos, which is a huge power plant to last you a very, very long time.